Guys, welcome to the channel. So every time I get the query like how to improve your coding skills, how actually you can improve your logical skills. See, in my journey, actually, I have implemented some of the things using which I was able to improve my coding. Okay. So in this lecture, I am guiding one of my student on how to improve coding by just basically going through one simple example which we use in our daily life. That is writing code for washing machine. I'm not telling that writing code for washing machine will directly improve your coding. Understand, while we write, our logical skills will keep on improving. So if we write code for something which we are able to look around, now let's say we list out all the functions of washing machine and write the algorithm for it. Algorithm means what kind of loop we are going to use, what kind of conditions we are going to use, what are the statements, what are the packages we are going to use. If we are able to place them properly, the same thing you can do it for the software that you are building, right? So make sure you watch this guidance video through end. Okay, then you will understand clearly how actually you can start improving your coding. Perfect. Can you write code for washing machine? Now you tell me, can you write it?
I'll think for 2 minutes.
We can write it. Yeah, 100% we can write it. Shall I tell you how?
Yeah.
Now let's both of us write this coding for washing machine. Let's write it. So see, when someone asks about coding, you will not literally write the code over there. Now let's do it. Okay, let me open whiteboard. Okay, tell me. So do you use washing machine at your place?
No, sir.
Okay, have you ever heard about it? How it works?
Yeah.
Okay. First, what you do in a washing machine?
First, we'll keep clothes
You will put all the
in.
coats. Correct. You will put all the clothes. Next, tell
We'll
again.
switch on button.
When you switch on
Switch on.
button, yeah. So switch on button. What code you will put here if you are switching a button?
Uh, if electricity
Exactly.
is there.
Yes.
Yes.
If condition, right? So if power equal to 1, correct? That's when it has
Yes.
to enter the loop. Correct? Right. So we'll open and close the loop. Next. What next? Okay. Power is on. Perfect. Then
Water.
we'll put the water directly. Let's think. We'll put the water directly. No. After
Switches.
after turning on, we'll switch it. Then we'll select the program.
Yes.
Right. So whether it's going to be white clothes wash or whether it's going to be heavy wash. Correct. Then
Yes.
select program.
Select
Okay.
program.
Select program is going to be a function. Right. It
Mm.
is going to be a function, but it will have all the loops. Right. So we'll be having around 5 to 6 different functions that will be defined over there. Now let's say you selected program 1. Right. So let's say program 1 is just a quick wash. Just a quick
Yes.
wash. Now let's write program 1 function here. What is the program 1 function? Okay. Now you selected program 1 function. What happens first in washing machine?
It will mix the powder and.
Before that, there is one more thing. Every washing machine comes with a weight constant, right? 6 kg washing machine, 8 kg washing machine. What is that? That is the total weight of the clothes, correct? For a
Yes.
6 kg washing machine, if you put 10 kgs, it will not wash because the
Mm.
tumbler itself will not be able to do it, right? So once we select the program, after selecting the program, it will check the weight, correct? WEIGHT,
Wait.
weight greater than, okay? Or what you
Mm.
can do here, if weight
Wait.
greater than 6 kg, what should happen? It should throw error message, correct? It should throw error message, correct?
Yes.
Now tell me, is weight greater than 6 kg should be the condition or less than 6 kg should be the condition?
Greater than 6 error, sir. Less than 6 condition.
Perfect. So in the condition, we need to make this one, right? Exactly opposite. Right, we made the weight. Weight is common for all the functions, correct? Be it
Yes.
P1, P2 or anything. Okay, let's
Yes.
go to the function now. Okay, in P1, let's say it is general, what is a wash? What is the first thing we have to do? Insert detergent.
Yeah, insert is a
Insert
detergent.
detergent. Then it is going to be a function again. Then what next? If water equal to true.
Mm.
then only it should execute the loop. If no water, then error.
Error.
Correct? Right. Now tell me, if water equal to true, what happens first?
It will mix the detergent
Mix
to
the detergent, it will spin one
dry.
time, it will drain out all the water. Then
Yes.
it will fill one more time, it will spin, it will drain out the water. Then third time it will spin, it will drain out all the water. Now tell me how many times this repeated?
3 times.
So for 3 times condition, what we will use in programming?
While
No.
drain.
For loop. We need to
uh,
execute the condition 3 times.
mm,
Correct? For this, we are going to use for loop, right? So have you studied for loop?
yeah.
Okay. For what is the first condition? For loop has 3 segments. What are those?
I didn't get, sir.
For loop. What is the syntax for loop?
For, mm,
First is initialization, then
uh,
condition, then increment.
yes.
You haven't studied. For
Yeah,
I, for I equal to
I
0.
know.
Okay. Now how many times it has to spin?
3 times.
3 times. So what should be the condition? I is less
I
than 3.
it less than 3.
I should be less than 3. Or what I
Mm,
can do? I is less than or equal to 2 is also possible.
yes.
Both are possible. Correct? Only if I is equal to 0. If I make I is equal to 1, what should be the condition here? What should be instead of 2? What should be there?
3.
Exactly. Because we are doing it 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. If we do it 0, 0, 1, and 2. Correct? So let's make it
Yes.
0. Let's make it 0. For I greater or less than 2. Right? I less than or equal to 2. Then what next?
Uh,
Lastly, it is going to be incremental. I plus plus. Correct? It should increment, no? Okay. Now,
yes.
what is the first thing? First thing, inlet water function. Then what we have? Spin.
Spin.
Spin is also function. Then
Uh,
drain.
drain
Drain
of
means
water.
outlet all the water. Correct? That's it.
Mm,
So once this is done, so this will be loop. What happens here? First, I is equal to 0. Yes, condition is true. Sorry, initialization is
yes.
done. I is less than equal to 2. Is it I less than equal to 2? Because it is 0, it is true. So if it is true, it
Yes.
will come into the loop. It will execute all these things. Then after that, it
Yes.
will go and increment I by 1.
Anything.
Exactly. Now, what is the new value of I here?
1.
Very good. It is 1. Okay. Now, is the condition satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So it will spin once more.
Once more.
Correct? Then it will
Uh,
inlet water, spin and drain. Then it will increment after that. Now, again, one more increment. What is the new value of I? 2. Correct?
2.
Very good. Very good. So is the condition satisfied? I less than or equal
Yes.
to 2? Yes, it is equal to 2. So inlet water, spin and drain. Correct. All 3 conditions are done. It will go back again. I plus
Yes.
plus. Now, what is the new value of I?
3. But
Exact.
condition false.
Condition fails, so it will come out of the loop.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So here it is
Yes.
going to be the function will be done. Okay? Function end. So it will be end function here. Correct? So from here, we have selected the program. After this program is done, it will come back to the main program again. Correct?
Mm.
Understood this one? Okay, now what
Yes.
happens next? Okay, once water is done, once water draining, everything is done, program is selected. What should be the next condition?
Next condition. Switch is off. Switch off.
Everything is done. So now it will throw a message that washing is done.
Then yes.
Correct? So washing
Print.
complete. Complete. Very
Mm.
good. It should be print washing complete. Perfect. Good. Print washing complete. Right?
Yes.
Now tell me, did we write the code for washing machine?
Yes, sir. We have. We done.
Now tell me, did we exactly write the code? No. So many things are empty here. See. This is also empty. This is also empty. And here we have not defined. So this is called flow chart. This is called algorithm. Understood?
Yes.
This algorithm you have to explain in the project. Now, to practice more about this programming, what I want you to do is go and look around you. Write a function for water bottle. Write a function
Mm,
for your mobile phone. Write a simple algorithm flowchart for a car that is standing outside. Right? So try writing as many things as possible. This is how you try covering all the scenarios. This is how you
mm,
improve in the programming language. Understood?
yes.
When will you report me after this? How many days you need to understand that project? I want
Well,
you to explain me the complete project. When can you do it?
mm,
3 days?
4 days?
3 days? If you do it in
Yes.
3 days, I'll make sure you get at least 6 lakhs package. 100% I'll make sure of that.
Yes, sir.
Get it
I
done.
will.
So we'll meet again after 3 days. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done then. Okay. Now to practice more about this programming, what I want you to do is go and look around you. Write a function for water bottle. Write a function
Mm,
for your mobile phone. Write a simple algorithm flowchart for a car that is standing outside. Right. So try writing as many things as possible. This is how you try covering all the scenarios. This is how you
mm,
improve in the programming language. Understood?
yes.
When will you report me after this? How many days you need to understand that project? I want
Well,
you to explain me the complete project. When can you do it?
mm,
3 days?
4 days?
3 days? If you do it in
Yes.
3 days, I'll make sure you get at least 6 lakhs package. 100% I'll make sure of that.
Yes, sir.
Get it
I
done.
will.
So we'll meet again after 3 days. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done then. Okay, so guys, I hope you have watched the entire video. So in this example, I just showed you how to write a simple algorithm flowchart for of a refrigerator, right? So this is not actually how you write the code, but this is the basic concept and this is the pillar for writing a code. Now you are writing a code for calculator. What are the functions will come over there? Different combinations of calculations will be there, right? So you're writing a software for learning management system. This is how you need to list out the features. For what features, what kind of program or piece of code you will be using. This is how you need to derive. So I will suggest start writing the use cases like this around you. It can be your mobile, like I shown in the example. It can be a car, it can be a bike, or it can be an air cooler, it can be a washing machine, it can be refrigerator, anything. So try writing as many use cases as possible. This will improve your logical skills and this will improve how to write code as well. Okay, then remaining things, it's all about syntax. Syntax you can copy and paste from anywhere. In an interview also use cases will be given like this. So make sure you follow each and every step that I have told, and at least write 5 use cases to 10 use cases and drop them in the comment box so that I can guide you properly how you can write it. So that's all from my side. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you more number of coding examples, how to execute them with a proper explanation. Make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Take care.